paid my dues time after time. I've done my sentence but committed no crime.
And bad mistakes I've made a few. I've had my share of some kicks in my face, but I become through.